Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rizky Prameswara Setiawan with study number 2010301082 in class 2 B1 at Aisyah University Yogyakarta. Here I will convey my little statement about COVID-19 in Indonesia. Currently, 209 countries in the world, including our country Indonesia, are facing challenges that were never imagined before. A tough time for our life, even this corona pandemic has brought sadness to some people and difficulties to many. And we are experiencing major challenge in our daily life. On this occasion, I would like to express my high appreciation and gratitude to all doctors, all nurses, and all medical personnel who have fought on the front lines and continue to fight until now, and those who have played an important role safely, TNI, Polri, volunteers who have carried out tasks offset the home for all of us. On behalf of the community and the country, I give the highest appreciation for what Mr., Mrs. and brother have done. To his tremendous sacrifice, I also want to thank Mr., Mrs. and my brother and sister who have stayed in the home, because by staying at home, we have all tried to break the chain of the spread of the COVID-19 virus, and that means I have saved many families from this virus. Let's continue to deal with this pandemic together, work together, unite, because only through his togetherness will we be able to overcome it. We are not alone. We are together with other countries who are also experiencing the same to overcome this pandemic together. And stay patient, optimistic, stay disciplined at home, keep your distance in dealing or interacting with other people, avoid wash your hands directly, wear a mask when leaving the house. When we practice strong discipline, good willing, we will return to normal situation and condition and be able to meet relatives, meet friends, meet relatives and neighbor in normal situation. But for now, let's just stay at home. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.